I'll guide you through how to send money from PayPal to a Wise account without losing capital to heavy cross-border currency conversion fees or hitting instant bank link rejections. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. PayPal is a dominant digital consumer wallet built primarily for local retail transactions, while Wise is a specialized international multi-currency ecosystem designed to give you local virtual routing details across the globe. Because these two applications do not share a native, direct transfer button inside their mobile software architectures, you must ensure the verified legal name on your PayPal profile matches your Wise registration data flawlessly before trying to connect them. If you attempt to bridge them with mismatched profile metadata, the automated anti-fraud security tracking filters will flag the link as a high-risk threat, auto-decline the link layout, and trigger a temporary hold on your digital assets. To begin, open the Wise app and select your target local currency balance, like USD. Tap Account Details to reveal and copy your unique routing number and checking account number. Now launch the PayPal app and navigate straight to the Wallet Hub. Select Link a bank account and paste those exact Wise tracking codes manually into the routing fields. After 1 to 2 business days, check your Wise activity feed for 2 tiny microdeposits sent by PayPal. Type those precise decimal amounts back into the PayPal confirmation layout to fully activate the ledger. Next, head back to your main PayPal home screen, tap your primary balance, and select Transfer Money. Tap Withdraw to your bank using the standard timeline to execute a fee-free transfer that clears within 1 to 3 business days. To completely dodge the currency conversion trap, make absolutely sure the fiat currency you are withdrawing from your PayPal wallet matches the exact local currency denomination of the Wise account details you link to prevent an automatic 3 to 4% conversion markup. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.